there's this fallacy, the misunderstanding that you need confidence to speak. In reality, you get confidence from speaking badly over and over again until you get better at speaking. Like, there's this misunderstanding that confidence is just something you can have. Like, you can just be confident, bro. But that doesn't work, because confidence is just reasonable belief. It's evidence of something in order for you to confidently believe it, right? That's why people say, like, I'm confident that gravity is real or something like that, right? Your confidence is just reasonable belief based on evidence from the past. And so you can only get that evidence from the past by practicing speaking and getting better at speaking prior to getting into conversations. Getting the confidence to speak has nothing to do with like just being confident to speak. It comes from speaking badly, then getting better, and then speaking badly again, and then getting better, and then repeating that over and over again, the third ladder, speaking, understanding, and repeating over and over again until finally you're much better than before. And then you're confident that you're able to speak because you've proven that to yourself. And so what I'm really saying is, instead of acting like you're good at speaking and then trying to speak, get good at speaking and then know that you can speak by speaking, right? And so that's what this exercise is all for. It's about getting you in the trenches of speaking so that you can be confident when you're having a conversation with a native. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.